Hey, plant lovers, and welcome back to the channel. Are you ready to completely transform your living space from bland to beautiful? Today, we're diving deep into the world of indoor plants and how they can seriously elevate your home's aesthetic. Forget expensive renovations. Sometimes all you need is a touch of green. I'm going to show you 15 stunning plants that will add life, style, and a touch of luxury to any room. Let's get started. First up, we have the iconic fiddle leaf fig. You've probably seen this beauty all over design magazines. With its large, violin-shaped leaves, it's a living sculpture. It loves bright, indirect light and a consistent watering schedule. Place it in a corner of your living room to create a dramatic focal point. Its tall, tree-like form adds vertical interest, making your ceilings feel higher. Next, let's talk about the snake plant, or Sansevieria. This is the king of low-maintenance plants. Its sharp architectural leaves come in various patterns and colors. It tolerates low light and infrequent watering, making it perfect for beginners or busy people. Style it in a minimalist pot to complement its modern clean lines. It also purifies the air, which is a fantastic bonus. Our third plant is the elegant white bird of paradise. This one brings a lush tropical vibe indoors. Its massive, banana-like leaves can make any room feel like a vacation getaway. It needs plenty of bright light to thrive and appreciates humidity. Imagine this plant next to a sunny window, its leaves catching the morning light. It's an instant statement piece. Number 4 is the delicate string of pearls. This trailing succulent is absolutely mesmerizing. Its long strands of bead-like leaves cascade beautifully over the edges of its pot. It's perfect for hanging baskets or placing on a high shelf. It needs bright, indirect light and well-draining soil. Be careful not to overwater this one. It's a succulent after all. Rounding out our first 5 is the vibrant Calathea orbifolia. The foliage on this plant is a work of art. Its large, round leaves have stunning silver stripes. Calatheas are known as prayer plants because their leaves fold up at night. They prefer medium to low light and high humidity. A group of different Calathea varieties together can create a stunning textured display. So you've picked some plants, but where do you put them? A key tip is to think about layering. Place tall plants in corners or behind furniture, medium-sized plants on side tables or stands, and small or trailing plants on shelves and windowsills. This creates depth and visual interest. And don't forget the pot. The right pot can be as important as the plant itself. A simple terracotta pot gives a rustic, earthy feel, while a sleek ceramic planter offers a more modern look. Match the pot to your room's decor to tie everything together. All right, let's jump back in with our 6th plant, the Monstera deliciosa. This is another design icon famous for its split leaves, which are called fenestrations. It's relatively easy to care for, enjoying bright, indirect light. As it grows, you can train it to climb a moss pole, which encourages larger, more dramatic leaves. A mature monstera can truly anchor a room and give it that sought-after jungle luxe feel. Next is the Zamioculcas zamiifolia, or ZZ plant. If you think you can't keep any plant alive, try this one. The ZZ plant is nearly indestructible. It has glossy, dark green leaves and can tolerate extremely low light and drought. It's a slow grower, but its upright form adds a touch of sleek sophistication to desks, side tables, or even darker hallways where other plants might struggle. Plant number 8 is the beautiful and fragrant Hoya carnosa, or wax plant. Hoyas produce clusters of star-shaped, waxy flowers that smell incredible. Their trailing vines can be trained to climb or left to hang gracefully. They come in many varieties, some with variegated or crinkly leaves. Place one in a hanging planter in your kitchen or bedroom to enjoy its sweet scent. Number 9 is the Pilea peperomioides, also known as the Chinese money plant. Its unique coin-shaped leaves on long, thin stems give it a playful and modern look. It's said to bring good fortune, which is always a plus. Pilea loves bright, indirect light and well-draining soil. They are also super easy to propagate, so you can share the wealth with your friends. Our 10th plant is the rubber plant, or Ficus elastica, especially the burgundy or black prince varieties. Their dark, moody foliage adds a level of sophistication and drama that is hard to beat. They are fairly easy to care for, needing bright, indirect light to maintain their deep color. A tall rubber plant in a stylish pot is a fantastic alternative to the more common fiddle-leaf fig. Now, before we get to our final 5, let's talk about a few common mistakes to avoid. First, don't over-decorate. Too many plants can make a room feel cluttered rather than chic. Choose a few statement plants instead of dozens of small ones. Second, don't ignore your plant's needs. A sad, dying plant is not a good look. Make sure you place plants where they will get the right amount of light. And third, don't forget to dust the leaves. Clean leaves not only look better but also help the plant photosynthesize more effectively. A simple wipe with a damp cloth works wonders. Okay, on to our final set of plants, where we're really amping up the luxury. Kicking it off is the Alocasia frydek. The velvety deep green leaves with bright white veins are absolutely show-stopping. It has a very exotic, high-end look. Alocasias can be a bit more demanding, requiring high humidity and consistent moisture, but the visual payoff is immense. It's a true collector's item that screams luxury. Number 12 is the philodendron pink princess. This plant has been an internet sensation for a reason. Its dark green leaves are splashed with vibrant hot pink variegation. Each new leaf is a surprise. It's a climbing plant, so give it a trellis or pole to show off its stunning colors. It needs bright, indirect light to produce the best pink variegation. It's a living piece of pop art for your home. Next, we have the olive tree. An indoor olive tree brings a touch of rustic, Mediterranean elegance to your space. Its silvery green foliage and delicate branches have a timeless, sophisticated appeal. They need a lot of direct sunlight, so a spot right next to a south-facing window is ideal. It's a subtle yet incredibly chic choice for a bright, airy room. Our 14th plant is the stunning orchid, specifically the Phalaenopsis orchid. Orchids are the epitome of elegance and luxury. Their long-lasting, graceful blooms can elevate any space, from a bathroom vanity to a formal dining table. While they have a reputation for being difficult, modern hybrids are much easier to care for. They prefer bright indirect light and a special orchid potting mix. And finally, number 15 is the Ficus audrey. It's a more gentle, easier to care for cousin of the fiddle-leaf fig. It has a similar tree-like form but with smaller velvety green leaves and a lighter, more delicate trunk. It's less fussy about its light and watering needs, making it a fantastic and stylish alternative. An elegant Ficus audrey in a beautiful pot can bring a serene and sophisticated feel to any corner. So there you have it, 15 incredible plants to elevate your home's aesthetic. From low-maintenance workhorses to luxurious showstoppers, there's a plant out there for every style and every skill level. Adding plants is one of the easiest and most rewarding ways to bring life, personality, and beauty into your home. They don't just look good, they make you feel good too. What are your favorite plants for home styling? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your ideas. Thanks so much for watching today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more plant-filled content. Happy decorating!